Ay! This one. I don't know how much this one. 18.
15.
$18 so expensive.
Just now we enter with 2 voucher.
Oh.
The thing cost 30 something.
Uh-uh.
She got 2 vouchers, so we end up paying only 20 for
Oh.
the thing. She makes the thing.
Oh.
Yeah. And then must make up 1 card. That's why I buy at $3. Card also $3. So expensive. Yeah. But it's okay lah.
Okay lah, once.
She's not interested.
Uh-uh.
If she's interested, she will want to buy.
Uh-uh.
See the kitchen looks so beautiful. Because it's
Yeah, the
tourist,
kitchen
for the
also,
tourists,
uh-uh.
so many, it's more expensive. Right?
Not interesting. We can go out there, huh? Bird paradise.
Go whichever way you want. That very easy. So I buy from I buy for
7-Eleven.
I won't have mom lost her umbrella. That's why I buy
Yeah.
$7.
Yeah, expensive in 7-Eleven.
Now she's big already, but some things she still like.
Uh-uh.
But something you ask her, just now I show her, I say what you like. No means no. You force her, she no point. You also waste money.
Yeah lang.
She's not very interested.
This one also, no interesting. Janing also.
Which one?
Si Janing also don't like the things.
Yeah.
Mm. So cute. Janine, stick. Hey, Janine.
Cat.
Yeah.
Cat. Cat.
Yeah.
inside? You think you want to go inside?
No, later don't. Later she heard the one.
Hello? What's up? Bobby?
Okay.
Just me and Bia. Bia?
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
They don't know how they just get
Don't
stuck.
listen.
Go in.
You go back, Bella. You go. This is so nice.
No, you just take a picture.
Very nice.
You guys gonna do something?
Wait, hang on. Yeah, have it.
Okay, go.
You want or not?
No, I don't want.
You can go in later if you want.
No. We sit down on the chair.
Okay, then we sit there.
Uh-uh.
She only go in.
Oh yeah, sit down. Okay, sit down and watching the one. Sit down. Sit down. No need to go inside. Okay, sit down there. Okay. Oh, sit down there. Wow, so cute. Hello.
Motherfucker.
Really? I'm not